Hello and welcome to downtown Bartlett at my latest listing at 211 West Railroad, right across the Bartlett train station. This property has 2 buildings with 5 commercial and 1 residential unit, land, and 9 parking spots. Let me take you on this quick tour. This main building has 4 commercial spaces, which include long-term business tenants such as You Can Do Island, Bartlett's Candy Shop, Therapeutic Touch Massage, and Bartlett's iconic Banbury Fair. Also, upstairs has a residential unit with 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. There are 26 parking spots right next to the property, and additional 57 spots across the street by the railroad tracks. The Village of Bartlett has also approved a grant program for businesses to help owners revitalize or expand their properties, so buyers may qualify for this program that ranges from $5,000 to $50,000 for their business projects. We are behind the main building by the parking lot and land, which can be used for weddings, fashion shows, and other events and celebrations. This first building has 1 commercial spot occupied by New to You, a consignment shop, with a workshop upstairs. Thank you for touring with me. If you or anybody you know may be interested in a private showing of this property, please give me a call or shoot me a text. I'm Charles Zakoba from Exit Realty Redefined. Have a great day.